What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax, but today we're coming to you live from Agoura Hills, California, USA, with another update from the Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing. Little hot for the co-pilot today, so he is at home taking her easy. But we got big news coming up here this week. Starting Monday, August 10th to Friday, August 14th, the 101 freeway will be closed from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day. They're going to be routing everyone underneath the service bridge, Chesebro if you're coming from the north, and Liberty Canyon if you're coming from the south. If you drive on this road, be warned now, it's going to be brutal. But with an early December 2026 finish date still on the books, it's going to be interesting to see what they're going to be accomplishing with this freeway closure coming up here. Probably some heavy lifting. We've seen both sides need a lot of attention in getting paired up with the rest of the ground. Right now on the south slope, it's looking real steep. On the north slope, looks like there's hardly been any work done other than the gradient we've been able to see on the side. But on that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks, thumbs up the video, comment on the video for better or for worse. All that goes a long ways, keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.